Habakani windmill kadang terikam. Te boleh manding pat siang mani.
Kan tipis no meh mga. Mia ke meh wasna.
Be, kabiang ta.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel dan hagi restoran ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong yang katong kejongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Syiem ka Hima Mylliem upa iem aina manik Syiem. Ula asya suspend mentaka sengi ka apu atuk jembang aja pun Riau. Haka Khas Autonomous District Council. Baka District Council kalathong acting Syiem tau Alban Frederick Syiem. La suspend yu pa iem ainam namar ka Hima Mylliem kam Treh bansi syak District Council ya Khajna ka basipau nak sispa lani ka sipau person share naka jingmi jongka. Shusyu ka District Council kalakadaw baka jingmi ka Hima Mylliem kalong kumbalai kluri ai. Hakashi senam handai baka District Council kapan 10% ka Hima Mylliem kam Treh. Baka kerpat banyak beda ka barim. Kata 1 each year. Handai ka District Council kam menjur. Baka hukum baka dai ban Siew bet 10%. Handai ka Hima Mylliem kam syamla Siew. Ka District Council kalaong baka ni ka jingli jong Syiem ka di ka jing penkan ni kendoan jong sanat kapala a syu. Baka pen iru baka dan ka jing pendan kam bakalai ka pisa ka baka dai ka baha jong District Council. Kum takat kum ka section 7 Jong Khas Autonomous District Appointment and Suggestion of Syiem, Deputy Syiem, Sectors, and Rang Bashnong of Mylliem's Ship Act, Arjar Nyo, la suspend no Syiem.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.